and welcome to my channel. My name is Teresa and today I want to share with you my January 2023 BOXYCHARM base box. So I do get BOXYCHARM every month. I get the base box and the premium, and then I'll get the luxe box when it's time for the luxe box every 3 months, I believe. So if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and let's get into this. So the first product I got is from Wander Beauty. It is this Sweet Escape palette. Retails for $42. This is exclusive drop to BOXYCHARM. And I don't know, it's a pretty palette. Nothing I'm super excited about. I'm wearing it right now. I think the shades perform fine. I put this all over my eyes. It's kind of like a flaky duochrome glitter type shade. This shade was pretty first class, real smooth and buttery. Like, I feel like the quality is there. It's just nothing too exciting for me because I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, but I feel like if this is one of your first BOXYCHARM boxes and you got this palette, you'd probably like it. Like, you can get pretty looks out of it. And it's not too crazy or too colorful. You do have the purples in there, but I feel like a lot of people like purples. So the second product is from Skin Inc. It is a serum glow filter. Retails for $50, and it's supposed to be kind of like a primer, but it has like anti-aging properties in it, and I don't know. It has an interesting bottle. Looks like little bubbles in there. I feel like this has been around in BOXYCHARM for a while. I believe I've seen other people get this. This is the first time I'm getting it. I used it today. It kind of just felt like a gel and almost like a gripping primer. Like that would feel like. Not quite as sticky as a gripping primer, but it did leave my skin a little sticky for makeup to here. This product's fine. I'm not super thrilled about it either, honestly, but it's fine. The third product is from Persona Cosmetics, the E-Bomb Tinted Bomb. Retails for $22. I got the shade Manifest. So I'm wearing it right now. I actually think it's really pretty. It's a pretty pink color. I do enjoy Persona Cosmetics. This is very creamy, like super creamy. So if you get this in your box, be careful because it like smushes down when you go to use it. But it does feel really hydrating and it leaves a pretty tint behind. It looks red in the tube, but it definitely shows up more pink. I don't know. I've been into pink, so I like this and I'm not mad that I got it. Now the fourth product, Love Craft Beauty Plasma Gloss. This is a new launch. It retails for $18. So this little product right here is for all over, and you could use it for a dewy bronzy look to the eyes, cheek, and lips. Here's the product right here. And here it is. So I put it on my lips. This is just not for me. I don't like gloss on my eyes. I don't like this type of product on my cheek. I would never wear that type of color on my cheek. And my lips, it just looked, I didn't like it on my lips either. So altogether, I just don't like this product. This is just not something for me. And when I did my reviews on BOXYCHARM, it didn't look like anybody really liked this product. So yeah, that's a dud. And the fifth product is from Farah. This is a liquid liner. This is a new launch, retails for $20. So it is an eyeliner, felt eyeliner. I'm wearing it right now. It's fine. It's more like a shiny liner. It did seem very pigmented, and for a felt tip, it wasn't super hard to use. I've used felt tips that are harder. And I just enjoy brush tips better, but it's not a bad product. And I do remember getting this brand before. If it's the same brand, I believe we got tweezers from this brand. They have brushes, so. And then they threw another item in my box, which is not on my card. I don't know if this was a mistake. I'm not sure. But it is a lipstick from Oma Beauty. It's Badass Icon in the shade Diana. Pretty tube. So I'm not sure why I got this. And here's the color. It's a bold color. Not something I normally wear, but maybe I could mix it. I don't know. Nice packaging. It has magnetic packaging. So yeah, that is my box. The total retail value is $152. Overall, I don't think this is a great box. 3 lip products, or whatever you want to call this. The eyeshadow is fine, and you get 1 skincare and 1 eyeliner, so it's not terrible, but it's just nothing great either, honestly. So yeah, I'm kind of bummed about this box. I'm hoping premium is better. It's not a great way to start off the year. And I'm sure if you have any type of makeup collection, or like, I'm sure a lot of people have the same thoughts as me. I'm just very underwhelmed with this box. So yeah, it's disappointing. But anyways, guys, let me know what you thought of this box down below. If you guys got your base box yet, let us know what you think of your base box. Was it better than mine? I would love to know. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys later. All right, bye.